Welcome students to our house sorting assembly. Today we celebrate, honor, and formally welcome our newest members of our community. We have 4 houses. Whether you will soar with all your heart and soul like Falconus, whether you will hunt where wisdom resides like Volpes, whether you swim with delight against the tide like Lutra, or whether you defend with claw and fang like Hyrax. Our hope today is that you will find a resting place in your house. When we started the house system, I had a dream that a senior would get to know and form a friendship with a 6th grader, an 11th grader with an 8th grader, and so across all grades. Nothing is more vital to a community than the sense of belonging. And that's what I want for each and every one of you, to know that you belong here and we love you.